The Emojo Lynx Pro folding electric bike is perfect for adults and for anyone who wants a reliable and convenient ride for daily use. It features a powerful 750-watt brushless DC motor sitting inside the rear wheel that gives it impressive performance. Have no problems riding uphill or over bumps. It has a top speed of 20 miles per hour, so it can quickly get to speed and get you to your destination quickly. The bike can travel up to 30 miles on a single charge with its 48-volt, 10.4 amp-hour power pack consisting of lithium-ion batteries. The bike charges to full in 4 to 6 hours. The Emojo Lynx Pro features a twist throttle and 3 levels of pedal assist. The bike is equipped with premium 7-speed Shimano transmission and derailleur so you can change and select gears. The equipped Kenda 4-inch fat tires give it excellent grip and comfort in any terrain. The whole bike just weighs 55 pounds, including the batteries, so it is effortless to ride, plus it can load up to a maximum capacity of 230 pounds. This high-performance bike has a folding frame. It folds into a compact package, so you can store it in the trunk of your car or in the corner of your apartment. Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone.
Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes, with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.